Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And so it looks like that Visible has a promo offer right now that's going on for the new year of 2023. That promo offer is a promo code of 15OFF12, which means that you will get $15 off your monthly plan for the first 12 months. But I think it's pretty cool that they're doing this. And yeah, so if you are looking into signing up for Visible, just know that if you use this promo code, your $30 plan would be $15 for 12 months. And if you choose the $45 Visible Plus plan, you'll be paying $30 a month for the next 12 months. Pretty good savings for Visible, who already gives you pretty much unlimited data and unlimited hotspot, as well as talk and text. And so I think this is a great option for those people who want to get on the Verizon network but don't want to pay too much money. You definitely can get some savings here and experience the Verizon network with a slightly lower priority access than postpaid. But nonetheless, in my opinion, for me using Visible, it's been very solid. And so this is definitely a shocker here.